get your credit where credit is due. Even Jack in the Box is open. My work shut down, and Jack in the Box is open. I'm no weatherman, but I would say it's snowing a little bit right now. It's February, and for some reason we're getting a record amount of snow coming at you from Silverdale, Washington, where we've experienced what a lot of people are calling Snowmageddon 2019. I mean, for crying out loud, it's February. Oh well. Ah, crap. Time to de-ice the truck. You want to see the bed of my truck? A little bit of snow. A little bit of snow. Yeesh. Target. The things we do to get our necessities. They're open, my work is shut down. Priorities.
Anything else?
No, that's gonna be it.
Alright, should be 598 at the window. Thank you.
Thank you. They're never closed. They're never closed. This is crazy. What I'm quickly figuring out is that as Washingtonians, we are not prepared for this. For those of you in regular snowy states with some tips and tricks, please leave them in the comments because we don't know how to handle this. It's beautiful, but this is insane. I gotta get inside to a regular human temperature. Like, okay, we get it. We get it. Snowmageddon 1, us 0. It can stop snowing anytime now. Thanks for watching.